Good morning, guys. We are finally in Redlands. It took about an hour and a half to get here. We finally made it. This is actually a gorgeous, gorgeous town. This one is a flip opportunity. I think there's about $100,000 of spread in this house, so hopefully we can get it under contract. We're gonna go head in here in a second, but there's the Tesla right there looking all clean. There's no better mornings than like waking up early, getting your workout done. And like, I was able to drive out an hour and a half and it's barely 10 o'clock. Like, there's so much you can do if you just use your time the right way. So I'm feeling great. I'm feeling positive. Hopefully we get this house. And there's the car, baby, the Tesla. She's looking clean today. Look at this. I'm actually so scared of even having a coffee and my sandwich in there because I don't want to get the seats dirty, but look at that, guys. She looks clean in the daylight for sure. Show you guys the back real quick. Boom. It's kind of like a little spaceship. What color do you guys think I should wrap this? I'm thinking maybe matte black, maybe like a light blue or a red. Put your colors down in the comments and let me know what color you think I should wrap the car. I'm probably gonna get it done hopefully in the next week or so. So, holy shit, there's a cat. You guys see that cat right there? Little cat, can you guys see that? What's up? I love cats. If you guys don't know that about me, the two things that I love most, or actually the three things that I love most: cats, cars, and real estate. Wow, she looks gorgeous today. All right, guys, that's enough talking for now. We're gonna head into the property. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn post notifications on. So, was not expecting this, but my car ran out of battery. Now I'm here at Kaiser Permanente, super random, but I'm waiting for the tow truck to come to tow my car to the EV charging station. Guys, we ended up at Kaiser, was not expecting this at all, but we gotta walk back to the Tesla. Tow truck just got here, so we gotta help him load the car onto the truck. It's been a mess today, bro. Today's been absolutely awful. What happens when you get a Tesla? This is the first day that I've had the car and I'm already having to tow it. We're taking it to a charging station because I ran out of battery. 100% my fault. I was in Redlands to go see that property and I just didn't make it back to LA. But my boy right here has been super helpful. There it is, going on the tow truck. Man, it's funny, man. Shout out to Tesla, man. It's honestly, it has a towing mode, so it's doing pretty well. And my boy here is being super careful with it, so it's all good. Quite an experience, but definitely very inconvenient. So this is update day one of having a Tesla.